Everyone, myself Kumari Shweta Rajendra Amrute and my seminar subject is Advanced Mechanics and seminar topic is Hamiltonian function. Now we see the Hamiltonian function. Definition of Hamiltonian function. The quantity summation pi qi dot minus L when expressed in a term of generalized coordinate and generalized momentum p and time t is called Hamiltonian and it is denoted by h. Thus, we have h is equal to summation pi qi dot minus L I is equal to 1 to up to n. Hamiltonian principle. Definition of Hamiltonian principle. The Hamiltonian principle is state as the motion of a dynamical system from T1 to T2 such that the line integration T1 to T2 L dt is extremum. This means that a small delta variation in the actual path followed by the system is 0. Mathematically, it is as the delta integration T1 to T2 L dt is equal to 0 or delta integration T1 to T2 in bracket summation pi qi dot minus h dt is equal to 0. Now we see the theorem. Obtain Hamiltonian's equation of motion from Hamilton's principle. Proof. From the Hamiltonian's principle, we have delta integration T1 to T2 in bracket summation pi qi dot minus h dt is equal to 0. This is equation number 1, where h is equal to h of pi comma qi comma t is the Hamiltonian. From equation 1 we get integration T1 to T2 in bracket summation of pi delta qi dot plus qi dot delta pi minus delta h is dt is equal to 0 implies curly bracket summation pi into delta qi dot plus qi dot delta pi minus summation delta h upon delta p into delta pi plus delta h upon delta qi delta into delta qi bracket close dt is equal to 0. Since delta t is equal to 0, this is equation number 2. Now implies integration T1 to T2. Now we separate the integration. Implies integration T1 to T2 summation pi into delta qi dot dt plus integration T1 to T2 summation qi dot delta pi into dt minus integration T1 to T2 summation delta h upon delta p delta pi plus delta h upon delta qi into delta qi dt is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Consider first term in equation 3 and integrate by part. Integration T1 to T2 summation pi into delta qi dot dt is equal to summation pi into delta qi T1 to T2 minus integration T1 to T2 in bracket summation pi dot into delta qi dt equal to summation pi into delta qi t2 upper limit t2 minus pi into delta qi lower limit t2 minus integration t1 to t2 summation pi dot delta qi dt equal to 0 minus 0 minus delta t1 to t2 summation in bracket pi dot into delta qi dt. Since delta qi t2 is equal to delta qi t1 is equal to 0, so this is term as 0 equal to minus integration t1 to t2 in bracket summation pi dot into delta qi dt equation number 4. Using equation 4 in 3 we get minus integration t1 to t2 in bracket summation pi dot delta qi dt plus integration t1 to t2 in bracket summation qi dot into delta pi dt minus integration T1 to T2 summation delta H upon delta Pi into delta Pi plus delta H upon delta Pi delta Qi into delta Qi dt is equal to 0, implies integration T1 to T2 summation in bracket Qi dot minus delta H upon delta Pi into delta Pi minus integration Pi dot plus delta H upon delta Qi into delta Qi dt is equal to 0, implies summation of in bracket Qi dot minus delta H upon delta Pi minus Pi dot plus delta H upon delta P into delta Pi is equal to 0. Since delta Pi and delta Qi are arbitrary, implies Qi dot minus delta H upon delta Pi is equal to 0 and Pi dot plus delta H upon delta Qi is equal to 0, implies delta H upon delta Pi is equal to Qi dot and delta H upon delta Qi is equal to minus Pi dot, which are the Hamiltonian equation of motion.